Are you feeling bad to pay the massive amount of electricity bill which makes you feel disgusting? Is it possible to create power source without wasting our money on purchasing costly equipment or device? Don't worry, here, Zach Bennett ready to show you the easy way to build power generating device on your own using an amazing program DIY 3D solar panels in just a few minutes. So you have the opportunity to save money from greedy power corporation and save almost 85% of the electric bill in less than 1 month. When using this program, you will get a list of tips and tricks to avoid the malfunction of the device confidently. Click the link in the description below this video for details. DIY 3D solar panels is the best program that you can find online to solve the electricity problem and also save your money. It provides step-by-step instruction with a list of materials that you find in your garage or nearby electrical shop to build up on device to generate power. Of course, it will be the solar power generator to get power from sunlight and allows you to store or power up your home and other electrical appliances at any time. This device is more useful to handle any crisis or stuck with any catastrophe. This guide will help you to build the device in different size which suits for your comfort, and it will be the significant advantage to get energy without other companies' support. From appliances, you can supply power to all household appliances such as lamps and toasters, refrigerators and electric hogs and AC devices etc. It can also power a cabin to stay away from the wilderness. It explains how to make a 3D solar panel in an hour and a secret to making solar cells 4 times cheaper. This guide offers complete blueprints with color photographs and step-by-step instructions for creating your 3D solar panels by spending few minutes. This program offers video guide to make you understand the steps and techniques to build the device with simple materials and tools that you can find in your garage. You can place the 3D solar panel at your comfort and easily protect it by a wooden tower or another shield that can be stacked on top of the roof. It is beneficiary to support people by saving their money, as well as it will safeguard you when the whole city stuck with power shut down. It doesn't require any training or specialized knowledge to under the step. Even a small kid can get the ability to build this device to power up the place you stay forever. DIY 3D solar panels offers a friendly guide and video instruction for user comfort. The given design is elegant, easy to fix and portable. It is risk-free to use and affordable for everyone. Once you fix the device, you don't need to worry about the assembled for the rest of your life. Overall, this DIY 3D solar panels will reduce your electric bill almost 100% in just a few days. Click the link in the description below this video for details.